Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure your credit card with PenFed, detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure your credit card with PenFed, begin by visiting the PenFed website. Log into your PenFed account using your credentials. If you are not already a member, click on the option to join PenFed. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab on the dashboard. Select Credit Cards from the drop-down menu. Choose the specific credit card you wish to configure. Click on the Manage button next to your credit card. You will see options to update your personal information. Check if your billing address is correct and update if necessary. Next, look for the Payment Settings section. Here, you can set up automatic payments for your credit card. Select the payment amount preference, whether it be the minimum payment, a fixed amount, or the full balance. Then, provide your preferred payment method. This may include a bank account from which payments will be drawn. Confirm your payment setup by reviewing the details. Next, look for Rewards and Benefits Management, if applicable. Review and enroll in any rewards programs linked to your credit card. Update your security settings by enabling notifications for transactions. Consider setting up alerts for payment due dates and spending limits. After making all necessary changes, review everything once more. Finally, click on the Save Changes button to apply your configurations. Your PenFed credit card is now configured to your preferences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.